Hi everybody, Jackie here with Dr. Russ from Rockside Family Dental Care. How are you doing today?
Great, wonderful. How
Wonderful.
Are you?
Doing good.
Good, great.
So today we're going to talk a little bit about implant services. This is a
Sure.
big one that you guys offer. Talk to me a little bit about it.
It is. This is something that most people hear about in dental implants now. You know, it's one of those things that it's kind of more of a cutting edge technology in dentistry. What happens when you lose a tooth or you're trying to replace teeth that are missing? This is probably the gold standard of tooth replacement nowadays. Now, it is something that some people are going to be a little bit more nervous about because, you know, it's a surgical procedure. However, we try to make it as painless and easy as possible for them in regards to the actual procedure, but also, you know, financing and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
How to pay for that.
Absolutely. Case by case, work with what you can do and make it as easy and as
Yes.
accommodating to the patient as possible.
Absolutely. That's what we're about.
Now, you talked about it being the gold standard. Let's talk a little bit about why. Is it the function that it gives you? Is it the appearance? Is it a mixture of both?
It is. It's really all about the function. When somebody is missing a tooth, and we are all about keeping as many teeth as we can, saving your teeth. But when that's not an option anymore, a dental implant is really as close as you could possibly get to a brand new tooth.
Wow.
It goes into the mouth. We place it into the bone. It actually integrates into the mouth, and then it actually functions. And you brush it and clean it just like you would any other tooth. It works like any other tooth. The one thing I tell patients is you'll never get another cavity on it, which is great.
Yeah, that's good news.
So that's one actually thing that it's better than an actual tooth.
Than your actual tooth.
Yeah.
Now this, like you said, this is really new technology. This is advanced technology. So this is something that's going to work like a natural tooth would outside of it's not going to be susceptible to cavities.
Sure, absolutely. Now it is something that's been around for quite some time, but I think over the past 5 to 10 years are really perfecting it.
Yeah.
The times that it takes to place the implants, the integration time or the time that it heals into the bone, that has dramatically decreased over time. You know, it used to be somebody would put an implant in and you'd have to wait a year before you could actually put the crown on top of it. Now we're down to about 6 weeks. Some people I know, some other specialists will actually do it within 3 weeks.
Wow.
But, these are the neat things that are going on now. And, if you see the dental implant, it's really just this tiny little, it looks like a little screw.
Yeah.
And we build a whole crown on top of that. And that is really nice. It looks perfectly like a natural tooth. It sits in the gums like a natural tooth. You couldn't even tell that it was anything but a natural tooth. And
unlike something like dentures, which is another more economical alternative to missing teeth, this isn't something you're going to take out, take in. Your teeth aren't going to be missing. Yeah. You're going to have a tooth there. Now it's going to be a crown, but it's going to be in, solid.
Completely in your mouth. The nice thing I hear a lot of times is when people actually will have this done and they pretty much forget that they even have it, or they don't even know where their implant is because it's so natural feeling to them.
And they kind of show people like, hey, pick which one it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I love that. Yeah. So implants are really the gold standard for tooth replacement, or if you have lost a tooth, if you are missing teeth, if you want to get those replaced, if you want to have that function and you want to have a beautiful smile, implants could be the way to go. And if you're not sure, the best thing to do is have a consultation. So call them today at 216-524-8481, Monday through Thursday from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Rockside Family Dental Care has staff available to help you. You can also book your appointment online, rocksideFamilyDentalCare.com, and browse services and other FAQ information there in case you have any questions. So don't hesitate to call them today. Thank you so much, Dr. Russ.
Thank you very much. Thanks.